In a movie theater, there are 24 seats in each row. How many rows are needed for 768 people to each have a seat in the theater? 24 seats in each row. $768 people. How many rows for each person to have a seat? I'm looking for how many rows are needed. Blank rows are needed. Okay. So I know there's a row and it has 1 seat, 2 seat, 3, right, dot, 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 all the way to 24. We know that they have a bunch of seats. So here's one row. Okay. Now, they say I need enough of these rows for 768 people. So I'm going to put 24 people here, 24 people here. So basically what I'm doing is division, because I'm splitting up the 768 people by putting 24 people in each row. So I'm going to separate the people into the rows to figure out how many rows I'm going to need by dividing. So I have 768 divided by 24. There's two things I like to do. I like to put my divide, multiply, and subtract. Bring it down and repeat off to the side to keep me checked. And then I also like to make a running record or a T-chart for the number 24. So I'm just going to do that up here. So 24 is 1 time. If I added another 24, 4 and 4 make 8, that's 4. 48 is 2 times. I can add another 24, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 6, 7. 72 is 3 times. I can add another 24, 4, 5, 6, 7 plus 2 is 9. That's 4 times. So this is basically a T-chart, but I'm adding it because it's easier for me to see it on paper than to just do it in my head. I'm going to do one more and then I'll try to get started from here. So another 24, 10, 9, 10, 12, it's 120, so it's 5 times. I think that's plenty. So let's go ahead and look at this division. 24, so first I'm going to divide. 24 goes into 7 0 times. 24 times 0, I'm multiplying, is still 0. Subtract 7, bring down my 6. Okay, now I'm repeating, meaning I'm going back to divide. I'm dividing 24 into 76. 24 goes into 76, and I'm going to use my T-chart. Okay, right here is where it is. 72 is the closest without going over, so 3 times. 3 times 24 is 72. My T-chart helped me know that because I already did it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that's 4. Now I can bring down my 8. So we divided, multiplied, subtract, we brought down, now we're repeating. That means we're seeing, can 24 go into 48? Yes, it can. 2 times, and it goes in evenly. 2 times 24 is 48. Subtract, that's 0. So that means 32 rows are needed.